Duolingo versus Google Translate. Which language tool is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Duolingo and Google Translate to help you decide which one is better for your needs. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is when to use Duolingo. Over here, Duolingo is best if you want to learn a language step by step. It provides interactive exercises, including reading, writing, listening, and speaking. After that, it also uses gamification, where you earn points, maintain streaks, and level up. Then, if you prefer a structured course, Duolingo is a great choice instead of just relying on translations. After that, keep in mind some limitations of Duolingo. Over here, it may not be great for advanced learners who need deep grammar explanations. Then, it can also feel repetitive or slow at times. Now, let's talk about Google Translate. Over here, this tool is best if you need quick translations for words, sentences, or paragraphs. After that, it supports multiple languages instantly and provides voice, handwriting,